Hello everyone, this is Jim Krasinski with your week 1 screencast video. So each week I will post the video discussing the week's activity, due dates, assignments, and resources and strategies that might help you accomplish your goals for the week. So please be aware of the announcements tab here. As I enter into Blackboard, I land on the content page. All right, you want to make sure that you do view the orientation and syllabus videos that are posted in the opening announcement. But in the first week, remember, this is a 5-week class, and according to the Illinois College Board, we have to have 4 projects, so it's going to move along pretty quick. However, I've tried to minimize as much as I can some of the work so we can accomplish our goals for this particular course. So, you'll notice on the schedule and the syllabus that Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday are going to be the consistent due dates in this particular course. So on Tuesday, discussion board number 1, the icebreaker forum is due. That's where everybody introduces themselves to the class. And then we also have on Friday the discussion board number 2, good and bad experiences. Get to that in the course unit in a second. And then the essay 1 will be due on Sunday, end of day. Reminder that end of day is always the due date and time. All right. So if I get out of the announcements, now remember the announcements, I'll push those out via email each week so you'll get a chance at the screencast video. Let me get back to content here and click in the week 1. Each unit is named the particular week so you'll know what's available that week for your activities. So as each module is constructed, there is a readings, resources, and activities tab. Gives you a link to the Essay Basics Handbook. Hopefully everybody's had a chance to look at that through the orientation video. The screencast video, another copy will be posted here in the readings, resources, and activities. I stress the importance of reading the screencast video and then the activities for this week's essay assignment. All right. Next is AI Bootcamp, some resources where I discuss the AI tools and how we'll be using those throughout the course. This particular page may be useful in giving you some guidance and writing some prompts. Also an idea to how to use AI to brainstorm a topic. Obviously, using all the tools that are available to you in this particular class would help you be successful. Icebreaker Forum is a pretty straightforward activity to introduce yourself to the class. Also, discussion board number 2 is where we do a bit of brainstorming and thinking about good and bad writing experiences in preparation for the first essay assignment. So you want to be aware of this particular discussion board. Please take the time to read all of my instructions. Successful execution of the task at hand is critical in my mind as far as grading. So the basic first essay is what we call here, or I call the AI mirror, reflecting on writing and AI use, and be aware of reading the prompt, especially. To be successful here, you have to answer my prompt. And I explain that out well here and what I'm looking for, both for audience and purpose. Requirements are listed here, and also a word count. And this particular assignment, we saw the assignment tab, is where you will upload a Word or PDF document of your essay draft. All right, this is a no AI assignment. I want to stress that. You may be writing about AI, but there is no use. I want to see where everybody's abilities are to execute essay writing in this particular activity. Okay, so you can read those instructions clearly. One thing I do want to point out, if you're unfamiliar how to set up a document in MLA format, you can look at the Essay Basics Handbook. It gives you a clear example on how to set up an MLA document for your very first essay project. Here in the essay basics, here are the guidelines, and this is how we set up a essay assignment according to the Modern Language Association. So that's about it for this particular week one screencast video. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.